come in the morning, we do our safety meeting. Out of the 6 guys, we all get on it. Everybody take an area. We have to take everything off. So the knobs to open the door, you'll see different damages. All of this here, we had to go down a little bit lower than this because we had a lot of water damage around the windows. This whole window was cracked from the top to the bottom. We had this to do. We had some painting to do, so we just split us up in groups. You have to paint at a certain temperature, depending on the product that you're using. After we paint, then we bake it. That helps it cure quicker. All the red is a decal. The silver is what we paint. So we'll paint all of this from the top to the bottom. The most important thing is our teamwork. It's like we the dream team. So we really like get it done.